Hello everyone, it's me Terhi here again. I'm playing today with November Kids from Hip Kit Club and I want to make this circle layout featuring especially the color kit from November. I'm first drawing this kind of really loose circle with a pencil and then following it with this lovely Glacier paste from Nuvo and the stencil. I love the way it shines, especially in real life. You can of course see it here, but it looks so much better in real life. Then I want to cut all these, well, not all, but most of these triangles. First I tried to cut them with paper trimmer, but I like to have a small white frame around them, so I decided it's better to cut with scissors. And as I love cutting, this is always something I want to do. And then I'm going to follow the circle I draw before loosely with these triangles. I'm using 3D foam as I want to have some dimension and I want to be able to tuck some embellishments between the triangles and the white cardstock later. I like these triangles because they remind me of eyes. They are super sharp and they look good. So I chose to use the triangles today. And I'm going to make some paper slices, small pieces of paper, using my favorite papers from the November kits. And I'm using this really light pink paper behind my photograph to kind of make a frame for the photograph. And then I'm going to layer some of the patterned papers and cardstock behind the photograph. I'm using a stapler to attach them all together. It's the easiest way when I'm making this kind of paper pile. And then I can again tuck things between the layers later when I'm decorating the page with lots of embellishments. And now the best part of making a layout. Decorating. I love using lots of embellishments. I started with this cardstock sticker frame, which I added behind the photograph, and then lots die cuts and stickers and different embellishments. I'm using glue for some and those stickers without any adhesives, but mostly 3D foam again because I want to make some dimension behind them. And now you can see that I'm just tucking them between the layers, and later I'm going to add all these lovely branches and everything small, like those little creatures and stars and flowers. And then I'm going to finish the creation process with a black marker and just highlight some of the stars I made with the stencil by drawing small lines around them. I think this kind of makes them pop up more, and as you can see, it's super shiny, the paste, so the black goes really well together with that. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you are inspired even a little bit. I hope we are seeing together soon again, and thanks for watching. Have a happy scrappy day. Bye!